POD isn't dead. It's just evolving. And the ones who are winning are the ones combining POD with AI. Hey, my name is Anthony from Rockin Prince, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic design to digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery. Today, I'm breaking down why POD is still one of the smartest business models and how AI gives everyday creators an unfair advantage. So print on demand means you sell custom products without holding inventory. You don't print until somebody pays, no bulk orders, and no financial guesswork. But in 2026, POD by itself isn't enough, but POD and AI is the winning formula. With POD, you can test design instantly. With AI, you can generate design concepts, product mock-ups, captions, add copy in minutes. What does that mean? That means more test, less risk, and fast wins. The biggest struggle for most people isn't money, it's ideas. AI eliminates creative block. It helps brainstorm niche specific quotes, struggles, layouts, and styles, optimize text for emotional impact. In 2026, the creator who moves fast will beat the creator who waits to fill when the time is ready. Your website is no longer the main store. Your content is. Write hooks that stop the scroll. Repurpose one video into 10 pieces of content. Optimize titles and descriptions. That means POD products sell while you sleep because content works around the clock. Big brands sell generic designs, but you win by selling identity. AI lets you deeply serve niches: faith-based apparel, mental health and healing, cancer support, trades, and blue-collar pride. When people feel seen, they buy. With AI, it helps you speak their language faster. You don't need a heat press and embroidery machine to start. POD and AI lets you validate demand first, build an audience, upgrade to in-house products later. The smartest businesses in 2026 start lean, then scale internationally. Creators get burned out while they try to do everything manually. AI handles the heavy lifting, planning, writing, optimization, and consistency beats talent every time. POD and AI isn't about shirts and tools. It's about owning your brand, leveraging technology, selling meaning, not products. This is the creator economy maturing. If you are a creator in 2026 and you're not using AI with print on demand, you are playing the game on hard mode. So if you're looking to level up your game in 2026 using print on demand with AI, hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel to be updated on the latest videos that I'm creating, how to use specific prompts that will get you ideas and get you niches that you can look for to help you generate income using POD and AI. And if you want to learn how to become a faceless content creator, creating faceless theme pages to help sell your POD products, click the link in my description below. That's going to help you get started right away. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.